What will you do tomorrow? Tell me please. I will jump and play among the trees. What will she do next week? Can you say? She will sing and dance all day. Will you come to the party? Yes, I will. I will smile and laugh, I'm happy still. What will we eat for lunch? What's the deal? We will have sandwiches, yum and real. Will he read a book before bed tonight? Yes, he will read by the soft moonlight. Will they run fast in the park today?